So in the previous class, we are learning in the video we are learning about that how can you change the work plane? How can you add the work plane in the design? Right. So whenever you add the other work plane, that color will be orange and it will be automatically changed whenever you add the work plane in the Tinkercad. Now we are going to learn the next one. Create a roof of house by changing the work plane. So this is a one best example that show that how can you change the work plane. So first I will read the steps, then I will be show you the practical here. Step 1. Add the square from the basic shape on the work plane. Click on it and increase the width so that it looks a rectangular. So you can see in the image clearly. आप image में देख सकते हो clearly कि किस तरह से आपको shape बनाना है उसका. Step 2. Select the work plane tool from the sidebar menu and then click on the top of the rectangle. The top of rectangle now becomes a new work plane. Select the rooftop object and place it on the new work plane. Increase the width of the roof according to the measurements of the rectangle. Right, so we have to add other work plane on the top of the base. हमने जो rectangle बनाया है उसके ऊपर हमें दूसरा work plane add करना है. Select the work plane tool again and click on the original work plane to go back to the original work plane. हमें वापस से जाना होगा, so we have to again to click on the first work plane. So I will be showing the demo for that. So this is the Tinkercad screen, and I'm just hoping that you will be made your own account on the Tinkercad. Click on the create new design. Okay, so first you have to select this box that is in the form of the square. I'm changing the view and side, so that's why you can see it easily. It will be in form of the rectangular. You can see on the top also, right? So this is a one rectangular box. Now we have to add our other work plane on the top of the rectangle. So this is the work plane. You can see the work plane symbol here. Just click on here. So you can see the changes here. Now we have to add the roof. This is the roof that will be available on the basic shapes. Click on the roof, select it and place it on the work plane. And adjust by sides. I'm changing the view, so that's why you can see that and you can make the changes here. If you not think this is not perfect, so you can adjust again. अब उसको वापस से adjust करके उसको perfectly fitting ला सकते हो. Roof will be increase in the size, so I will be taking outside of borders. So using that, it's a look like a roof, house roof. Look all the views. That's why you can identify that it's correct or not. Right? It's came to the correct one. Okay, it will be increase in the size, so I will be again decrease it whenever I'm going to change the view. Okay. Whenever you made it, so this type of difficulty you have to be faced. जब आप बना रहे हो तो इस टाइप की डिफिकल्टी आपके सामने आएगी. इट विल बी नॉट अ परफेक्ट एट अ वंस. वो एक ही टाइम पे परफेक्टली आपको नहीं दिखाई देगा. So not a perfect thing for you, just because you are starting now. Okay, so roof will be here, and you can see from the all the sides. Click on the home, so it will be changed. can see that we made the roof using a 2 work planes. Now next, so you have to be also try it by yourself. ये आपको खुद भी बनाना पड़ेगा, right? So that will be show you that what is the difference between the 2 work planes. We cannot be directly added them. So using a work plane, we can add easily the other shape on the space. Next is the aligned objects, means that will be measured, that will be go for the right, left side, top side, down side. Alignment means the movement of the object on the left, right, top, middle, right? So first I'm reading the steps and then I will be showing the practical for that. Using the mouse, select the objects to be aligned. First, you have to be select the whole the object. हमें पूरा object select करना है. So for that, we have to select the 2 objects. For example, for the home, we are taking 2 objects. One is the rectangle and second is the roof. You can see the both difference, red and green. Right? So we have to select the 2 objects here. How can you select them? You can select the entire design using the mouse or use shift and click to the select multiple objects. Shift or with use of the mouse, you can click on the both the objects and it will be selected combined. Step 2, select the both object and click the align tool. Please mute yourself. The gray dot show the current alignment and the black dot show the different way in which the object can be aligned. Gray means current alignment, उसका जो होगा वो दिखाएगा और
मैम प्लीज फिर से एक्सप्लेन करोगे?
Yes, I will be showing you again. Okay, how can you measure the alignment? First of all, you have to select the both object. मैं आपको practically भी दिखा रही हूँ. First, I am telling you as a theoretically, then I will be show the practicals to you. How can you check the alignment of the object? First, you have to be select that 2 objects. जैसे कि अभी हमने बनाया है roof, right? So for that we are using the one rectangle and one roof, red and green. So how can we select them? Press on the shift and click on the red one. Then again, using of the shift, click on the green one, green roof. So using of that, both are selected together. Next, whenever you select the both one, click on the align tool on the right side. जो right side हमारा work plane का right side होगा, वहाँ पे आपको alignment align tool देखने मिलेगा. Right? How can you do the check that? Gray dot is show the current alignment. 2 dots are available there. Gray means the current alignment and the black means different way which objects can be aligned. Black का मतलब आप कहाँ पे उसको alignment कर सकते हो और gray का मतलब होता है उसका current alignment. Step 3, click on the appropriate dot to achieve the desired alignment. हमें जहाँ पे जिस तरह से alignment चाहिए आप उस dot पे click करोगे. So I will be show you the demo for that. So this is our roof. Okay. Now we have to select the first both the things. I am pressing the shift and click on the green one. With use of the again shift, press on the red rectangle. So both shape are selected and you can see here name shapes. अगर दोनों का नाम नहीं आता, शेप ही आता है, जैसे मैं यहाँ पे इस पे क्लिक करूंगी तो शेप आएगा और उसका कलर भी दिखाएगा. But whenever I press the shift and both shape are selected, you can see the changes here. Shapes 2, मतलब 2 shape आपको यहाँ पे दिखाई देंगे. Now we have to be click on the alignment. This is the symbol of the alignment. So you can press on the L for the align also. Whenever you click on that, you can see the dots over here. आप यहाँ पे सारे dots दिख रहे हो. आप जिस तरह से क्लिक करोगे उसका
मैम इससे हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं?
अलाइनमेंट मतलब उसको लेफ्ट साइड पे राइट साइड पे थोड़ा मूव करना हो तो आप कर सकते हो. अभी आपको ब्लैक अलाइनमेंट दिख रहा है, आप जैसे रूफ पे ले जाओगे तो आप राइट हैंड साइड पे देख सकते हो 2 ग्रे कलर के डॉट्स भी ऐड हुए हैं, 2 डॉट्स के बीच में यहाँ पे आप देखना, यहाँ पे 2 डॉट्स ऐड होंगे व्हेनेवर आई क्लिक ऑन द ग्रीन, my cursor will be go to the green, then 2 dots will be add that will be color on the ग्रे, उसका करंट अलाइनमेंट वो है, आप उसको इस तरह से चेंज कर सकते हो, व्हेनेवर यू क्लिक ऑन दैट यू कैन सी द चेंजेस आल्सो, आपको वो शेड में चेंज भी दिखाएगा, राइट। व्हेनेवर यू क्लिक ऑन द रेड रेक्टेंगल तो आपको ग्रे शेड में थोड़ा सा लाइट शेड होगा, ब्लैक के नीचे आप देखोगे तो ग्रे शेड भी आपको दिख रहा है, वो उसका करंट अलाइनमेंट है, right, that will be show the current alignment, and black one is used to change the alignment. For example, I click on this one, मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करूंगी तो रेड का अलाइनमेंट चेंज हो जाएगा, राइट। मैं रूफ चेंज कर रही हूँ ताकि आपको पता चले इजीली। आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन द रूफ, क्लिक ऑन द अलाइनमेंट, select the both shape, align. Whenever I go here, I click on this black dot, so you can see that the roof will be changed here. Again, shape are selected, click on the align. I'm clicking on this one, so that align will be changed. Again, click on the other black one, so उसका align change हो रहा है। वो नीचे क्यों चला गया? क्योंकि उसका alignment ही उस टाइप का था। That will be go down and middle of the rectangle. Again, I am doing that with use of the shift. Select the both the shape. Click on the align. Clicking on this one box, so you can see on the side the red one is move slightly. रेड जो रेक्टेंगल है वो थोड़ा सा मूव हो रहा है, या प्रैक्टिकली अपने आप ट्राई करोगे तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से दिखाई देगा।
ऊपर की जो ग्रीन साइड है
वो साइड में आ गए,
वो थोड़ा इस साइड है।
यस व्हाई,
थोड़ा साइड में आ गया।
yes, why? Because I'm changing the side, that's why, right? So this is the alignment, you have to be check the alignment, आपको किस तरह से मूव करना है आप कर सकते हो। मैंने यहाँ पे मूव किया, इस तरह से मूव किया, आप रूफ देखोगे तो वो चेंज हो रहा है, right? I'm again doing the back one, so you can see the changes over here. Okay, next one, that is a very simple and easy way, mirroring and flipping object. We are going to learn the next objects, next features of the Tinkercad shape, that is the mirroring and flipping. This thing you have to be try yourself. I am showing that how can you do that, but you have to be also do this. आपको भी ये करना है, right? First I am reading the steps and then I will be show the practical for this. Step 1, add a square from the basic shape on the work plane. Increase its width and decrease its height so it look like a rectangle like this. आपको इस तरह से बनाना है, रेड बॉक्स आपको दिख रहा है उस तरह से आपको एक रेक्टेंगल बना के रखना है। Step 2, add a round roof object from the basic shape on the work plane. Rotate and scale it appropriately and add it to one of the side of the rectangle as shown below. आपको क्या करना है, एक रूफ that will be a one roof, round roof in the basic shape you have to be take and you have to rotate it like this and attach with the rectangle. I will be show that also. Keeping the round roof object selected, press the Control D option. Control D for the duplicate. To duplicate the roof, select the mirror tool to get the same object on the other side. आपको same object के लिए mirror tool का यहाँ पे use करना पड़ेगा। 3 arrows appears to you that side show the direction. Sorry. Mirroring, select the arrow that provide the desired mirroring effect. वो आपको दिखाएगा किस तरह से आपको करना है। Step 4, using the shift key, drag the object in the same direction on the other side and place appropriately on the other end of rectangle. Step 5, the final design appears as shown below. मतलब हमें ये वाला बनाना है अभी के लिए. So I will be show you that how can you made it. First I am deleting everything. So first you have to take a one rectangle, means a box, and you have to be increase the height and decrease increase the width and decrease the height. So it will be look like वो इस तरह से कुछ दिखेगा आपको like this. Now you have to be select. Now you have to be select this round roof that will be below the roof. Drag here, and how can you move it? You can see here degree option. Okay, I'm just doing the one thing. Okay, by mistake I pressed the back button. Again, going for the create a new design. Okay, so taking a box here, decrease the height and increase the width. Now we have to take the round roof. This is the round roof. Place it here. Now how can you move it? Whenever you take it here, it will be show the rotation. It will be show the scaling. तो आप उसको यहाँ इस तरह से नहीं, हम यहाँ से उसको रोटेट करेंगे like this. It will be not completely came in the one. That will be take a time. I also take a time for this just because it's a very difficult for me to rotate. So I just hoping that at a one time you cannot be do that. If you are done that, very good for this. Okay, it's done. Move it like this. Increase the slide. Please mute yourself. Attach it clearly. Please mute yourself. Okay, it's clearly attached. You can see here. Now, how can you copy, and we have to copy it. So click on this one. You can see the duplicate option here, or press the Ctrl plus D. So it will be copied here. You can see here. Now mirroring it. Which direction you want to mirror? आप सब में देख पाओगे कि suggestion भी आएंगे. Right? I'm mirroring on this side and take it here. Now your shape is ready. Okay. So like that you have to make your shape. Sorry. Slightly I'm increasing the side surface because it's not a fitting. So you can see that I will be made this one. So you have to be also made this thing. So you can see on the here that you have to be take the up one. आपको यहाँ से थोड़ा up लेना पड़ेगा उसको. Check from the all the side that it will be correct or not. Right? From the top that view is different. From the front view is different. So आपको फ्रंट से देखना हो, टॉप से देखना हो, सारे व्यूज अलग अलग आएंगे. So that is depend on you which view you want to place here. आप यहाँ पे कौन सा व्यू प्लेस करना चाहते हो और कौन सा परफेक्ट थिंग आप यहाँ पे मुझे दिखाना चाहते हो. मैं यहाँ पे वापस से मूव करूंगी और टॉप से देखूंगी तो शेप ही पूरा डिफरेंट होगा. Right? So you have to make it by yourself. आपको ये अपने आप से बनाना है. This shape that will be shown the top. You can also use the top one like this. So you can move it like this. I'm zooming it, so that's why I can make the changes here. Okay, it's perfectly came from the top view. मैं top से बता रही हूँ आपको. I'm also suggesting here that you also do from the top, by according to the textbook. Right, so you have to make it. This is your task that you have to perform this one and make on text. First task is that you have to make a roof. This one roof using our two work planes. Then you have to check the alignments. And third task is that you have to make this shape, this final design. You can see here that will be also given in the textbook, I think. Otherwise, I will be shared this video to you. You can see it easily. Right? So, anyone have a query that how can drag and drop and move, or other thing, anything else?
No, ma'am.
That is a very interesting topic that I'm
I
expecting.
don't have any query.
Okay, I'm expecting the thing that this is the interesting topic that you have to be do it by yourself. आप अपने और से अपना best try करोगे. Just because it's a creativity, so you can do yourself, right? Okay.